Look at me. Are you ready to say grandma's? Let me see your stuff. You have your toys and your breakfast. And your breakfast? Okay.
Let's go, Mommy.
Okay. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. That guy just stared at me super weird in that Lux truck. But we are, or I am on my way to the gym. It's 11:20 and I have personal training at 11:30. So I just dropped off Grecia there at my mom's house so that she could stay there with my sister and my mom. And I just drank my shake, and yesterday I uploaded, by the time you guys see this, you guys saw already the workout video from Monday. How do you guys like it so far? Like, do you guys want Wednesday's video, or like the video that I film on Wednesday, because today's Tuesday, but it's all confusing to you guys. Do you want the next gym workout video to be in like not in slow motion, but in regular time like that one was? Because it wasn't that bad. Like, I thought I was gonna have trouble like slowing it down, but I just had to count like how many reps and then add the transition. So let me know if you guys want me to keep it like that in regular time, or if you guys want me to speed it up a little bit in case it was too long and too boring. It's all up to you guys. I'm going to the gym today, which is Tuesday. I'm not filming today. I'm filming tomorrow, which is Wednesday. So this Wednesday's workout video might not go up till like Thursday or Friday. But today's just gonna be like a regular vlog, just taking you guys along the day, because I haven't vlogged in a long time and I don't want my videos to be just Herbalife or just gym, because we're still a family. And so I'm just gonna like vlog a regular day and just show you guys everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let's get it started. So I just got out of the gym. My mouth is so dry because they gave me like a chip or whatever that the girls were gonna start eating lunch, and my mouth is dry already, but whatever. That's besides the point. I got my little detox water that I got from Christy, which is my Herbalife coach. I'm supposed to drink that in a day to 2 days, but the faster you drink it, the better. And it's just a detox water to like get everything out of your system and stuff. But right now I'm gonna go home. Weighted cardio was freaking intense. It was like my body just felt so freaking heavy. Like, I feel it so much in my quads, but they're growing. I'm actually getting like muscle in my quads, and I've never in my life ever had muscle in my legs. So the fact that I'm starting to like, that my legs are starting to get like bulky is insane, because I'm like so excited because you can see like the muscle in my legs. I love it. It's a pain in the ass because there's like so much, like, I don't know how to say it, like there's just so much pain that goes into muscle growth, if that makes sense. At least for me. I don't know how it is for you guys, but I mean, in order to get your muscles to grow, it's gonna hurt. So every day for like the past couple days, we have been like targeting legs a little bit. Like yesterday was leg day, so for sure like my quads were on fire. And then today's workout had to do with like burning up my quads again. And then we did a little bit of arm weights. So, and it was all cardio. So we did 40 seconds like full blast, and then 20-second rests. And we did 4 rounds. So like each workout was 40 seconds on, 20 seconds off for rest. And my heart was pumping so bad, and I burned over 1,100 calories. So each workout I burn over 1,000 calories, like Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. I had mentioned to you guys that I want to start coming 5 times a week. I feel like I can definitely put up with that now. But since my trainer is going to be out of town this week, I'm training Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So Thursday and Friday, I'm probably going to come by myself and just do like overall little things that she's taught me. I'm tired, my legs hurt. The video that I uploaded earlier is getting really good feedback, the what I eat in a day on Herbalife, so I'm so excited about that. I'm happy that you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you guys want to see more videos like that one so that I can, you know, add those in every now and then. But right now I'm on my way to my mom's house. I know she's gonna have to go run some errands, so I probably won't vlog that just because we're gonna be like in town and stuff. But I'll probably vlog once I go home. I'm probably going to make some turkey burgers for lunch just because it's quick and easy. I don't know what Bert's gonna want for dinner, so depending what he wants is what I will make later on, if he wants any food at all, which he probably will get home hungry. But I'm about to get here to my mom's house, so we'll see you guys in a second.
So small, watch the clock ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else.
We got home a while ago. It's already gonna be 7. It's 6:56. I'm munching on some pecans, but we got home like an hour ago and we've just been laying down. I'm just so tired. I'm so tired, you guys. Working out 2 days in a row and then again tomorrow is like really making me tired. And then I want to go Thursday and Friday also, so it's gonna be a pretty long week. But Bert's about to get here. I'm not gonna make dinner because he had to pick something up, because he said he was super hungry and he just picked up some chicken from like a convenience store or whatever. Mom. So I'm not gonna make dinner though. I'm probably just gonna make something for Grecia in the air fryer real quick. I'll update you guys in case we do anything else. My heart's pounding super fast. I've actually gone to the bathroom like 40 times today because of that damn detox water. I have peed so much. Like I even feel like I can dehydrate from how much piss I have peed throughout the day. Like it is so much pee. Can't believe it. But then again, that's a detox water, right? It's crazy. Mommy.
Do you know the Muffin Man?
Yeah. Hey, Mommy. The baby, Mom.
So we just, oh, Bert's here. He's home from work. He's home from work now. So even though it's just August, like the beginning of August, we just reserved Grecia's birthday party. I was gonna say her birthday party. Her birthday party. And
you didn't reserve anything.
Yes, I did.
Not a birthday party.
Yes, I did.
No, you reserved the, what's it called?
The salon.
Yeah, in English.
The salon.
Mommy, that's my
Oh, what do you mean? What is it called? The party hall.
Yeah.
not the boy. What?
So we just went and did that because you guys know that I start planning shit from like 6 months in advance, because I do most of like the decorations and stuff.
Because you're OCD.
That's not OCD. I think though,
because you're OCD.
I don't know it. No, because I just don't like to be like a la mera hora.
Because you have to be in control of your OCD.
It just has to be perfect, so I'd rather do it with time so that I can get everything done the way that I want it. So that is why it's August. Her party is until December, but that's already been made, so that's something I do not have to worry about anymore. Now I just have to worry about candy bags, centerpieces.
What did the lady say with the piñata?
She's gonna put the botitas on it.
No, but like, did you already get the thing for that?
No. I'm so excited. So those are just some of the things that I have to worry about now. Candy bags, centerpieces. What else? What else do I do?
That's it.
That's it, right? The party. Well, I mean, It sounds like very little, but the candy bags, I make 50 of them, and I do everything on my Cricut, like the face
Cricut only gets used half of the year.
of the candy bag I make out of my Cricut, and I only use my, this is the second time that I use my Cricut, so I put it away after her second birthday party. I put it away, and now I'm gonna take it out, dust it off so that I can use it again. And then I'll probably use that to make her centerpieces also. And I never show how to do them, but I might record them and then just upload them after her birthday party.
If I could take that Cricut back, I will get the other one that was the same price, and it was like way bigger, like this
The bigger one.
Yeah.
But it was like 50 bucks more.
No, it was the same price.
Was it?
The only thing is that this is Cricut, and the other one is it's a more professional brand.
Hey, Daddy, the one
What is-
there, Daddy. The one there.
With you.
We're on our way to Bert's parents' house, and we passed his uncle's house,
Hey, Dad.
and they were standing
Where are
outside.
we going, Daddy?
Huh?
Where are we going?
I don't know. You tell me.
Where are we? Where are we? Who's that, Juice?
Yeah.
Juicy Juice.
Juicy, juicy. Where's house?
We're at Abuela's house.
Yeah.
Yeah. A lo mejor están acostados ya.
Probably.
So we're probably gonna be here for like an hour. I don't want to stay here for that long because I'm tired.
Mom,
You
can
telling
you
me
get my
I worked
baby,
all day?
Mom?
So we'll see you guys when we get out. What?
Can you get my baby?
It's 8:25 right
Can
now.
you get my baby?
I got my
Because UPS knows to leave
package.
it like right here,
Yeah.
but FedEx leaves it in the front door.
And Grecia has milk that her abuela gave her. We just got home and it's like 10:30, so we were there for a lot longer than we expected. Ta-da! Prolessa Duo. I got my Prolessa, French vanilla, and wild berry. So I got 2 more flavors and the Prolessa, and I'm actually going to take some of this already, just because I didn't drink my evening shake and it's already like 10:30, so I'm probably not gonna drink it. Exactly what it tastes like. So you could either put this in your shakes or your teas, but usually I'll tell you guys right now what it's good for. And you just wash it away. Yeah, a dual action hunger control and fat reduction powder. So it says to gently shake the canister prior to each use as contents may settle. Make your Formula 1 shake as usual and then add 1 scoop of Prolessa Duo. Mix for an additional 15 to 10 seconds. Not suitable for acidic or hot drinks. Use once per day by adding to your morning or afternoon Formula 1 shake. It's to help reduce the calorie intake and control hunger, as well as conjugated whatever acid to help decrease body fat. So this is exactly what this is for. So hopefully that just speeds up the whole transformation process a little bit faster. So my little collection here is growing. I'm so excited. But now my protein doesn't fit.
This is awesome.
This is awesome. So I'm looking for the guide. Oh, here it is. I'm gonna go ahead and end off today's video, you guys. Even though we didn't do much, it's a day in life. This is what I did all throughout the day. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, or not if you guys didn't think it was that interesting. but I still want to be giving you guys regular vlogs. So if you guys want to see regular vlogs, then give this video a big thumbs up, so I don't know that you guys still want to watch my everyday life instead of just Herbalife and gym. That would help me out a lot. But I'm gonna end the vlog here because it's already 10:53. I have to shower right now and then go to bed, and then I still have to wake up early so that I can go to the gym tomorrow. So thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.